All right, finally, the Coyote project is complete. So, installed all the good stuff, no leaks, AC back going. Fixing to back out of my shop. It's been on the road a little bit, so it's all good. Hopefully it hangs together for a while. Reed, you plan on doing anything else to it? Driving it. All right, that's a wrap on this. We're gonna move on to the next project. Yeah, fire it up. That's got the GT350 intake on it. He's gonna change and put a There we go. That's a wrap on the F150 version 3, 4, 5 at this point. If he ever takes it to the strip, we'll let you know what it does later.